Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 5/5 of 2019. This play happened on May 1st, which was a Wednesday. The stock was GT, as in Goodyear tires. The strategy is based on a 60-minute DTSL setup with an entry off the 5-minute chart on that DTSL setup and what I call a be the tail entry. The management simple, reward to risk 2.4 to 1. As usual, let me remind you what's going on for free this week at DTS, where you can get a lot of good education if you are still out there kicking the tires, deciding what to do. If you are looking to manage your own long-term money or to make some part-time money or full-time money day trading, DTS is the place to be at our full seminar program, but until you're ready for that, there's a lot of great information you can learn. Monday is the bi-weekly scanning night every other week, 5 o'clock. All DTS members will receive their invite Monday during the day. Wednesday will be a DTS event. I will be doing a webinar called Chart Lessons. That's from 5 to 6. And then Friday begins the seminar program with the first half-day seminar, which is the first part of the Saturday seminar. But the Friday half-day seminar is open to all DTS members. It's a great seminar to attend. If you never have, I suggest you do. It is the actual first part of Saturday seminar that the seminar attendees are required to attend. But I open this up to everybody because it has a lot of good but yet basic information that I don't want to take up the day Saturday discussing. So you will get your invite if you're a DTS member Friday for the 12:30 start of the half-day seminar. This is the daily chart of GT, and this is what it looked like right here before the day of the trade. This is not where I really found the trade. I found it on the 60-minute chart. But looking at the daily chart, this daily chart confirmed a bearish bias on this because it was either downtrending or sideways coming off the prior high, and that big red bar on the daily chart was also something that was nice to see, although it wasn't necessarily required. And then after the day of the trade, that's what it looked like, that big red bar formed. I found this on the 60-minute chart, and this is what the 60-minute chart looked like as I was scanning on this particular day right through here. And that was in the process of forming a sell setup into the close. These are things I like to see because oftentimes you can get a great entry the next day. That's what it looked like after the day of the trade. This trade happened right around 10:30, just a little before 10:30. I'm showing you the entry here. I'm zooming all the way down to the 2-minute chart, and that entry came right in there. This was not taken first thing out of the gates, although it could have been. This would have been a great entry up in here as it failed to go higher. I was not looking at this stock at that time because I had other things on the screen, but it came back later right at 10:30 reversal time to form that lower high on the 2-minute chart. The entry on here was at 1918, and that was just 2 cents off the high of that pivot. It was taken on the way up, not on the way down. Part of entries that I think are very, very important to understand. Entries are everything to me. And if you couple that entry with a great strategy in a great area, you will be successful. That was target 1 down there. It was just going off the chart there. So let's back up to the 5-minute chart and take a little bigger perspective of what this looked like on the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, right there is the opening bar. And right there was that entry coming into that 5-minute sell setup there. Entry 1918, stop over 1932. Did an excellent job on all the management on this. The entry was perfect, and the first target was taken as it had that hard drop at 1893. That's always a great target because you don't know you're going to have a home run day. And then the rest of it came out right in there as it backed up over that pivot, target 2 at 1877, just right around a little before 1 o'clock. It did end up going a little bit lower that day, but that was already a very large bar on the daily chart at that point in time. I was very happy with the management on this. All of this, of course, happening in the DTS trading room. GT was one of a couple handfuls of stock that we picked out to follow that day, and we follow and strategically look for entries. It's a disciplined room, not a scalping type room. And if you have even an hour or two free during most days, or if you have a couple of days free, I suggest you stop in there, sign up for a month, and see how you like it. It could be a way to earn some extra money until you have time to dedicate more time to trading. Until next time, this is Paul from DTS. Good trading, everybody.